Hey, I'm Tamara, and one of the things I cover on my channel is gear reviews. So a couple of months ago, Freewell sent me their new versatile magnetic variable ND system. So since being sent this system, I've had a really good long time to test everything out. So I'm going to go over what the quality's like, what you get in the system, and a couple of things that I noticed whilst using it. But spoiler alert, the system's awesome, I love it. So first of all, the versatility of this kit is really great. It's got a normal variable ND base, a variable ND 2 to 5 stop, a variable ND 6 to 9 stop, a circular polarizer which is on the reverse of the 2 to 5 stop, an ND 32 and circular polarizer in 1 which is on the reverse of the 6 to 9 stop, and a 1/8 glow mist variable ND base. And the way they all connect is via magnets. It's actually really well engineered because you have this normal variable ND base and then a mist variable ND base. Then all you have to do is just snap the variable NDs over the top of either of the bases, or remove the base NDs to then use the polarizers. So with all that, you've basically got a really well-rounded kit in one compact system, and you can keep everything in this small hard case, and it also comes with a cover, which means you can just leave the filters on your lens if you don't want to take them off whilst you're moving between locations. The filters are also waterproof, dustproof, oil-proof and scratch resistant with 18 layers of multi-coating. The fact that you get all of this in one system is pretty amazing, because if you were to buy all of these separately in the threaded versions, it'd cost about $700 to $800. But with this system, the first 1,000 sets are going to be sold for $300. Then the second lot of 1,000 sets will be $350. Then after that, it's $400, which is actually really reasonable considering that you're effectively getting 7 high quality filters in one system. And the quality is fantastic, both in the way that the footage looks and in the overall build quality of the filters. The variable NDs have hard stops, so there's no chance of getting that dreaded X that you get with some other brand variable NDs. And in terms of vignetting, I couldn't actually see any when using the 40mm or when using my 24mm. There's no colour shift or colour cast when using the filters, which is also great, but you do need to remember that when using the polarizers, you need to remove the base variable NDs, otherwise you'll get some weird colour shift going on. I just want to give a special mention to the mist filter as well, because I love the effect as it gives your footage a certain look. Definitely not your everyday filter, and it won't be to everyone's taste, but it adds a soft, dreamy effect that you might want to have when filming a certain type of narrative film or video. I did put a short video together of just a quick B-roll sequence that I shot with the mist filter, so be sure to check that out. There's a link in the description for that. Now, there's only one thing that I want to highlight that keeps coming up for me when I use the filters, and that's that they can be a little bit tricky to separate, especially the base filters where you've really got to get your nail in there. And even though the main filters have these ridges, they're so slim that there's not a lot to grip onto, so just pulling them apart can be a bit fiddly, but you can kind of slide them as you pull them at the same time, which does help. But that being said, it does mean that you don't have to worry about them sliding off your lens if your camera gets jiggled about a bit. Overall, the system's awesome, and I'm definitely going to be buying myself a second set for when I'm using a multi-camera setup. But what do you think? Is it something that you could see yourself buying? Let me know in the comments below, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful or helpful. I've dropped a link in the description to where you can find out more info about the filter system and also where you can buy it. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.